In September 2014, we opened the first real-life escape room in Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia.
It soon caught on among locals and tourists visiting our city that being locked in a room for 60 minutes with a group of your friends
and solving puzzles and understanding codes in order to find the key to get out is actually a lot of fun.
2 months later, we opened our second room, the Classroom of Doom.
Now we have 3 rooms that are nearly fully booked every day.
Over 3,000 people have visited us to play our escape room games.
They always live with a smile on their faces.
In less than 5 months, we've become Ljubljana's #1 tourist activity on TripAdvisor.
And we've just opened the very first escape igloo in the world on the slopes of the famous Slovenian ski resort Kranjska Gora.
We are Enigmarium!
We've set out to create fun, engaging and completely original games. We want to make the best escape rooms you've ever played.
Our next stop?
Bled!
Perhaps you've heard of Lake Bled, the one with the fairy tale island in the middle.
Or about its famous castle that sits proudly on the big cliff.
Or about its delicious kremšnita.
Or about all the outdoor activities that you can enjoy here.
But what you probably haven't heard about is a very special place in the heart of Bled that was once the home of a very special witch.
That witch had a good heart, but well, she wasn't any good at casting spells. In fact, one day she set out to help the local farmers, and while trying to cast a spell to make cows fly, she accidentally locked herself in her own attic.
That's right, she bewitched herself. No one knew what happened to her and no one could help her get out.
Since then, the house where she cast her spells has sat empty at the top of the hill, overgrown with vines and weeds. It's been forgotten, until now.
Enigmarium is gearing up to bring you a new escape room experience in the center of one of the most popular tourist destinations in Slovenia.
To accomplish our goal, we need your help.
The witch's place has indeed fallen into a state of ruins, and to get it up and running will require some work.
We've set a budget of $12,000 to cover the costs of cleanup and renovations to get it ready for our next escape room.
In addition, we've got some special rewards for our supporters.
You see, we know that our biggest asset is our growing family of fun and entertaining escape rooms.
That's why most of our rewards include a ticket to visit one of our rooms.
So check out the rewards on our Travelstarter page. Make a donation that suits your pocketbook and help us rescue the witch in Bled.
With your help, we can make Enigmarium the best escape rooms in Slovenia and beyond.
Thank you for your support!